And there's a hadith which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, Book of Fasting, hadith number 1915, where it mentions about a Sahaba by the name of Qais ibn Sirmar al-Ansari. And he comes one day to the house at the time of iftar, after doing a lot of hard work, and he tells his wife that I'm hungry, please can I have some food for iftar? So the wife says, there's no food in the house, I will go and get from outside. So when she goes out to get food, because this Sahaba, Qais, may Allah be pleased with him, he was very tired. So by the time the wife comes back and she sees the husband sleeping, she says, oh, what a disappointment. Now we can't have the meal. So when he gets up, next day he could not have the food, and he had to fast the whole next day. And by the time evening comes, he faints. So they took the matter to the Prophet and told him what had happened. And after that, the verse of the Quran, Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 187 was revealed, that you can approach your wife and eat and drink until the white thread of dawn is differentiated from the black thread. So then were the rules laid down. That means you could eat the full night, and then the verse continues, you can fast till the night falls, means till sunset. And that's what we follow today.